Hey, just wanted to make a quick video on how to click a sprite in Godot. A lot of the resources are outdated. I've got it set up right now, so if you click this white sprite, we get sprite clicked at the bottom down here. So all you need, we'll set this up again, you need the parent items, just a node 2D, and then a sprite 2D, an area 2D, and a collision shape 2D. I know it's a lot just to click a sprite, but that's how you gotta do it apparently. So we're gonna create this, we're going to add a node 2D, we'll call this one box 2D. And then we'll add a sprite 2D to it, and then an area 2D, and then a collision shape 2D. And then we'll go ahead and assign the sprite to our sprite. I'm gonna move it over here and scale it up. All right, perfect. So now we're just gonna recreate the behavior between the two. Go to collision shape 2D and inspector, and then we're going to just pick a shape that matches our current shape. In my case, it's a rectangle. We're gonna scale it up. We can match the scaling with Alt. That looks pretty good. And then in my area 2D, I might actually put it on my box 2D. So on the box 2D, we're going to add a script. We're going to call it maybe clickable create. We have the code here if you just want to copy it. I'm going to just grab the beginning code here. Now we need this signal for it to work. So we're going to go to our area 2D. We're going to go to the nodes, or the signals, sorry. We're going to find input event, double click it, and we're going to click on the script that we want to attach it to. We're going to attach it to box 2D here. Click it, and it has appeared down here. So I'm going to close all this out, and then we're just going to pass in that code that we copied. And then it should be basic stuff. I'm still figuring out Godot, but basically if the event is the mouse button left, then your code down here is clicked, or is called. We'll run it with F5, see if we get any errors. Click, 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 click. Perfect. And then just to differentiate the two, I'm going to do sprite 2 clicked here. So I click my original sprite, we get sprite clicked. We click our new sprite, we get sprite 2 clicked. Perfect. Yeah, I hope that clarified things. Let me know if you have any questions.